you're in the market for a cutter that offers the most bang for the least amount of cash, the Ramsond Cut 50DX is worth a look. We were skeptical when this model came out a few years ago as to how such an inexpensive unit would perform. On top of that, there were some initial quality control issues. This is the 4th generation of that product, and many of these issues have been eliminated by upgrading the internal components. The result is a much more solid and reliable plasma cutting system. In fact, of all the inexpensive models currently on the market, the Cut 50DX is the clear winner of the best cheap plasma cutters. That's not to say that it is on par with any of the other units in this comparison. If you need a machine to build your business around, you're better off forking over the extra dough for any of the 3 listed above. But if you just need something for odd jobs around the house or farm, it's worth giving the Ramsond a shot. Its lightweight design confirms that it was made for amateur purposes. It weighs only 19 pounds and is 14.2 inches high, 6 inches wide, and 9 inches long. It uses a Ramsond torch with a 10-foot lead, requires 110 or 120 volts AC at 50 amps. Maximum cutting thickness is 3/4 of an inch. To sum up, if you're looking for a cheap plasma cutter, the Cut 50DX is worth consideration. This is not in the same ballpark as the Hobart, Miller, or Hypertherm, and should not be considered for heavy workloads. Cuts at 3/8 of an inch and below are clean, but anything thicker and you'll be pushing your luck.